Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock free skins in Marvel Rivals fast and easy. First, keep an eye on seasonal events like Galactus Cosmic Adventure. These events let you earn exclusive skins by completing daily missions, no spending needed. Next, if you play ranked and reach gold rank, you can unlock special skins like Blood Blaze for Human Torch. Don't skip the free battle pass, either it offers skins like Blue Tarantula for Penny Parker just by leveling up. Also, earn heroic achievement points by completing objectives and use them to unlock skins like Ivory Breeze for Storm. If you're on PlayStation, claim the Scarlet Spider skin and other bonuses from the PS Store. And don't forget about Twitch drops, just watch partnered streams and grab free rewards. That's how you get free skins without spending a cent. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech and gaming videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.